In this adventure, I explore Mono Lake from a kayak. And unlike Mark Twain, who visited this lake in the 1860s, who described it as lifeless, treeless, hideous, and the loneliest place on earth, I found it beautiful and teeming with all kinds of life. It is estimated that 1 to 2 million birds also visit Mono Lake each year, and I saw my fair share of them, including some incredible osprey. So sit back and enjoy this Mono Lake adventure. Made it here to Navy Beach. You can see South Tufa Beach over there. And there's Navy Beach. Based on this sign, it was used in the 1960s, 1950s and 1960s, do various secret exercises. Very interesting. So I made it to Navy Beach. Just gorgeous day. High 60s. Smallest breeze imaginable. Now it's time to get this kayak launched and out on the water. Made it to the water. Absolutely beautiful. Water's much cleaner here than at Owens Lake. Whew. Hopefully I made that look graceful. All right. That's it. That's awesome. Looks like an osprey nest up there. You can see some of the tufas down below too, under the water. We can get a view of those underwater. Of course, the reflection of the clouds, just incredible. Wow. This is unbelievable. I don't think I could ask for a more perfect day out here. Thank you, God. Wow. As you just witnessed there, ospreys jettison their poop before they take off, so don't get too close. Ospreys are considered raptors, but they're unique in the fact that they only eat live fish. Hence, you find them near any large body of water. Mono Lake, which is also pronounced Mono Lake, sits at about 6,380 feet in the eastern Sierras. The lake is about 13 miles long by 9 miles wide and with an average depth of 57 feet. And as you would expect, the lake is pretty salty. So this is certainly much nicer than Owens Lake. But Owens Lake was, as I said, once in a lifetime opportunity. I suspect they will work hard to make sure that lake does not fill up again. Fortunately, LADWP lost in court when it came to Mono Lake and now has to restrict the amount of water they divert from the area. Wow. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful. Very shallow in here. So incredible. So you see that osprey up there? Beautiful. It's just incredible out here. I love this. The reason there are so many birds here is because of the billions of brine shrimp that thrive in this ecosystem. Do you see the crane up there? White crane. So you're not allowed to be out here from, I think, April 1st to August 1st maybe, because of all these little guys that hatch during that time. You can see them. They're beautiful. Oh, look at them, 2 of them. Wow. Incredible. It's the middle of September at about 1 in the afternoon, and I could not think of anything more peaceful to do than this. Look at those tufas up on the shore. It was all underwater at one point in time. The Tufa Towers around Mono Lake are actually calcium carbonate, or limestone. These towers were formed beneath Mono Lake when calcium-rich fresh spring water seeped up from the lake bottom and mixed with the lake water rich in carbonates. This happens over tens of thousands of years and can only be formed underwater. Now, can we make it through here? One of the things I love about this kayak is it has a very shallow draft. What we see here is a result of the lake level declining and these towers becoming exposed. And sadly, once they're exposed, they stop growing and begin to erode. Oh, incredible. Getting a little choppy out here, probably should head back in. The black on the beach is actually not sand, but alkali flies, which is another reason there's so many birds here. Woo! That was just absolutely epic. Had a blast out here. Kayaking on Mono Lake. about that. Winds have picked up. Well, that was absolutely a bucket list item. Kayak onto Mono Lake. Definitely would go back. A lot more to explore. Love to get out to that island. But they mean what they say when they say get on the lake early. You should be off by noon because the wind kicks up and it was getting pretty choppy out there. But man, so beautiful. The birds. Would have loved to have done drones, but you can't. Number one, but two, it just disturbed the drone, the birds nesting out there. Incredible though, absolutely incredible. Exploring Mono Lake from the lake was absolutely incredible, and I definitely will be back. Please let me know in the comments if there's a lake you think I should check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you the next time we venture outside.
Close your eyes, hear the